In this video, we are going to learn how to create a vector object in Adobe Animate. We have a picture of a sword already imported on the stage. We select the layer and in the Properties tab, go to Color Effects and select Alpha from the menu. We bring down the alpha to 30. We add a new layer above the layer 1 and draw a rectangle on it using the Rectangle tool. We delete the fill and select the outline and increase its size till 7. We select the outlines again and press F8 to convert it into a symbol. We name it sword. We enter the symbol by double-clicking it. We start matching the outlines with the sword image that we have imported. We add a new layer on top and draw a rectangle again. We start tracing the guard of the sword. Please follow the video. We draw an oval with the oval tool for the sides of the guard. We add another layer below layer 2 and draw a rectangle for the hilt of the sword. We have completed tracing the sword. We now exit the symbol. Thanks for watching.